How to find an angle given a point. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is plot the point. Alright, I'll read the problem to you. It says, given the point, find the corresponding angle formed by the positive side of the x-axis. So that would be this side, right? Because the x-axis is here, positive side. So they give us the point 1, 6. Alright, so there it is right there. Now, what a lot of people do when they first start out is they actually draw a triangle, and this helps them for the next step. So I went ahead, I drew this triangle right here. As you can see, you should make it a right triangle, of course. Okay? Alright. And then to make life even easier, I even labeled the sides that were given. So this is a 6 and this is a 1, right? Okay. Then we need to substitute it into the proper trigonometric function. So we have the angle we want to find is here because they said positive x-axis. So it's going to be this angle. And we're given this and this. So we have the angle here. They gave us the opposite side and they gave us then the adjacent side. Well, not directly gave us, we figured it out, right? Because the point is here. You draw the triangle. Then that would be opposite and then adjacent here. Okay, so we're going to use tangent. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute. So we get tangent of n, which is our angle, is 6 over 1, right? Then you simply get your scientific calculator, and you solve by using the inverse trig function, right? So what we have to do is we have to do the inverse trig function because we want to solve for this. So what you do is you're probably going to have to put in your calculator something like this, right? That's inverse tangent of 6 equals n. And that gives us about 80.5 degrees. Don't forget the degree symbol, okay? And that's it. That completes our problem.